In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make.com to PayPal. By the end, you'll have a clear path to linking your PayPal account with Make, so you can automate tasks like creating payments and subscriptions, managing billing plans, and even executing payments after a buyer approves them, all without writing code. Start by signing in at Make.com. From your dashboard, choose Create a new scenario. This opens the Visual Builder, which is where you'll connect apps and define what they should do. Think of a scenario as a flow. Each module performs an action or passes data to the next. Next, add PayPal as a module. Click the plus button, search for PayPal, and select it. You'll see many available actions. Common ones include creating a payment, executing a payment after approval, creating or canceling subscriptions or agreements, and billing outstanding balances. Pick the action that matches your use case. You can always chain more modules later if needed. When you add your first PayPal module, you'll be prompted to connect your PayPal account. Click Add or Connect in the connection field. Make will ask for your PayPal client ID and secret, which you'll find in the PayPal developer dashboard at developer.paypal.com. Create an app there if you don't already have one, then copy the client ID and secret for either Sandbox or Live, depending on whether you're testing or going to production. Paste those into Make and confirm the environment you intend to use. This step authorizes Make to perform the actions you select on your behalf. After connecting, configure the module's fields. Set the amount and currency, define return and cancel URLs if the flow requires user approval, and provide any descriptive fields that help with tracking. If your scenario includes multiple modules, map data from earlier steps so values pass through automatically, for example, using information from a form submission to create a payment. Before going live, test your setup. Click Run once in Make, then trigger a test event. If you're using Sandbox, run a test payment so you can safely verify the flow. Watch the execution details in Make to confirm it receives the data and completes the action. If anything looks off, adjust the fields or data mapping and test again. Once you're confident, turn scheduling on so the scenario runs automatically. Keep in mind that while Make's PayPal app covers many actions, triggers for incoming transactions can be limited. If you need real-time payment detection, you may consider PayPal webhooks or IPN alongside your scenario.